My name is Asif. I am a university student from Bangladesh. My question is, there is a verse in the glorious Quran which says, Salaah prevents us from shameful and immoral deeds. One night I completed my Salaah, but after some time I committed a sin. My question is that why didn't Salaah prevent me from committing this particular sin? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Suratul Ankabut chapter number 29 verse number 45, Utlu ma uhiya ilayka min al-kitab wa aqim as-salah inna salata tanha 'anil fahsha'i wal munkar. Recite from the book what is revealed to thee and establish regular prayer, for prayer restrains from shameful and immoral deeds. Salah, it prevents us from shameful and immoral deeds. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Surah Al-Mu'minun chapter number 23 verse number 1 and 2. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ, the believers, they are successful. الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ, those who are in their prayer humbly submissive. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, the first few verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about the qualities of the believers. And one of these qualities is that they have khushu in their salah. When they offer salah, they offer it with concentration. They are humbly submissive when they offer their salah. When we offer a salah, we should concentrate in our salah. And why do we tend to commit sins even though we are offering salah? The reason is because we are offering salah merely mechanically. Our salah, it is mechanical. And we are offering salah physically without reaping the spiritual benefits of salah. Many a times we totally neglect the spiritual aspect of salah. We are just offering salah because we have to offer salah. So when we are offering salah, if we want salah to prevent us from shameful and immoral deeds, we should concentrate in our salah. We should see to it that we concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting. All of us should see to it that we memorize the translation of Surah Al-Fatiha. So when we are in salah, we can concentrate upon the meaning of Surah Al-Fatiha if we do not know Arabic as a language. And besides this, we should also memorize and read the translation of other surahs as well. The short surahs, for example, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, Surah Al-Nas. So when we recite the surah in the glorious in our salah, we can concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting. If we know Arabic as a language, it is the best. We can directly understand what we are reciting. But if we do not know Arabic as a language, then we should see to it that before we start offering salah, generally we should see to it that we memorize the translation of Surah Al-Fatiha, memorize the translation of the other short surahs, and also read the translation of the adhkar that we recite in our salah. So during our salah, we can concentrate on the meaning of what we are reciting. And if we concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting, our mind, it will not wander. Many a times, our mind tends to wander in our salah. For example, if a student, he has appeared for an examination, and after he appears for this examination, he offers salah. He will start reviewing the examination paper in his salah. To question number 1, I should have chosen option B instead of option A. To question number 3, I should have written this answer instead of this answer. A person who's a businessman, if he's offering, for example, the Isha Salah, he will start analyzing how much profit he has made throughout the day and what loss he has incurred. So our mind does wander. So that's the reason we should concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting, and our mind, it will not wander. And if we concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting, inshallah, salah, it will prevent us from shameful and immoral deeds. And we should try to achieve ihsan when we are offering salah. What is ihsan? Ihsan ka'annaka tara Allah. Ihsan is as if you are looking at Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فَإِن لَمْ تَكُنْ تَرَاهُ فَإِنَّهُ يَرَاكَ. If you cannot achieve this, then at least think that He is keeping an eye on you. If we know the importance of salah and who we are facing, the Lord of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah, we will have ultimate concentration, and our mind, it will not wander. And that reminds me of a Sahaba who was offering his salah, and there was an arrow that was stuck in his leg, and this arrow was removed while he was offering salah, and he hardly felt any pain, and he preferred this arrow be removed while he is offering his salah, because he had so much concentration in his salah that he would not realize the pain. Whereas if he was not offering salah, he would feel the pain. This was the level of concentration that the Sahaba had while they were offering Salah. Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, when he used to offer Salah, he used to cry a lot while he used to recite verses of the glorious Quran. Umar radiallahu anhu, who was such a strong human being, who was known for his strength, even he used to shed tears when he recited the glorious Quran in the Salah. So when we concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting, the glorious Quran will have an impact on our lives. And in our Salah, we will have an emotional effect. And we will find tranquility and satisfaction. Having khushu in Salah, it is very important. And if we have khushu in Salah, then it will definitely prevent us from shameful and immoral deeds. I hope that answers your question.